Welcome back to another fascinating episode of Curious Kids. I'm your host, Alfred Wallace. Today, we're going to learn about how living things survive and change over time using something called natural selection. It's how nature decides which animals and plants thrive. But how does it work? Let's find out together.
Chapter 1. What is natural selection? Natural selection is a process where animals and plants that are best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. Over time, these traits are passed on to their offspring, helping the species adapt to changes in their environment. Think of it like a race for survival. The animals that are the fastest, strongest, or best camouflaged are more likely to survive and have babies that inherit those helpful traits. Chapter 2. How does it work? In nature, not every individual is the same. Let's take a look at a group of rabbits. Some might have brown fur, while others have white fur. If they live in a snowy area, the white-furred rabbits might be harder for predators to see, so they have a better chance of surviving. Over time, the white-furred rabbits will have more babies, and the population of white-furred rabbits will grow. This is how natural selection works. It picks the traits that help animals survive, and those traits become more common. Chapter 3. Why is natural selection important? Natural selection helps species adapt to changes in their environment. For example, as climates get warmer or colder, or as food sources change, animals and plants must adapt, or they might not survive. This is how species evolve over long periods of time, changing and developing traits that help them live in different habitats. So today we learned that natural selection is a process where the animals and plants with the best traits for their environment are more likely to survive and pass on those traits. Over time, this helps species adapt and evolve. And now, for a survival joke before we go, why do giraffes have such long necks? Because their heads are far from their bodies. Thanks for watching, Curious Kids. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our science adventures. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.